What's up, team? Nsima the Centaur Inyang here with SmoothPanther routine number 28, and this routine is going to be called Filet Minglute, the sequel, because there's a routine on this channel called Filet Minglute, which for some reason you guys seem to really like, and you go back to. So I made an updated version of that routine with some new things added to it. This is going to be a SmoothPanther, one of the shorty routines, so it should take you about 12 to 14 minutes to finish, meaning you can do this one relatively quickly. All right, so as always, remember, if you like these videos, if you've been liking these SmoothPanther videos, please give the video a quick thumbs up, okay? Give the video a quick like because it does help these videos show up in the algorithm. And if you're watching these videos and you're not subscribed to the channel, I don't know why, just subscribe to the channel. It's the easiest thing that you can do. It's quick, it's easy, it's just a click, nothing hard. So do that. But I also want to thank you guys for hashtagging SmoothPanther on Instagram, DMing me, posting it, sharing with friends. I appreciate all you guys that are getting benefit from this and sharing it with people. It's really awesome to see, and it's motivating for me. Now, a quick shout out to one of my sponsors, Element Electrolytes. You guys know that I do a lot of fasting and I diet a lot on low carb, and with the nature of the sports I do, electrolytes are necessary. So you can head to their website. I'm going to have a new link in my description box that you guys can head to and grab some. If you're an athlete that does a lot of fasting, does a lot of training, you need electrolytes. So check them out. If you're interested in more content from myself, check me out on MarkBellsPowerProject and also another podcast called We Don't Know Yet. All links to that are down below. And if you are interested in getting your summer body right, getting lean, getting in shape, getting stronger, getting quicker, getting fitter, head to breakthebar.com and fill out the application form. I'm going to help you do that. I'm going to help you do it the right way. All right, guys. As always, I want to remind you guys to breathe in and out through your nose. Breathe slowly. Be present. Be here. And make sure that nothing you do is painful. There are always adjustments that can be done to all of these movements so that you don't feel any pain. These stretches and mobilizations should not be painful. We're going to be hopping into the Sumo Eagle position. So go ahead and hop into a Sumo squat. Take your left arm, grab your right elbow, bring it across your body. We're going to be mobilizing that shoulder, lower back, and hips. We're going to be in this position for 1 minute, then we're going to switch the hands while staying in the sumo squat position. If the sumo squat or if this position is a little bit too difficult, forget the eagle hands and just allow yourself to squat for 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and switch our hands here. 1 more minute in this position. If you need to pause the video and stand up a little bit if the sumo squat position is uncomfortable, do so. That is perfectly okay. Very good job. Let's go ahead and come out of that position. We're now going to be going into the pigeon pose using the PNF technique. So we're going to go into the pigeon pose with the right leg forward. You're going to see me do it here, mobilizing the IT band and glute. I'll tell you to flex, meaning that you're going to push your shin into the ground, activating your glutes and your hamstrings for 10 seconds. Then you're going to get deeper into the position. For the pigeon pose, if you need to be more upright, you can have your hands on the ground. All right, and to allow yourself to get deeper in the pose, you can allow your elbows to come down to the ground too. Flex now, digging the shin into the ground, feeling hamstring and glute activation. A few more seconds. Relax. This will allow you to get deeper into the pigeon position. We're going to be here for 30 seconds and we're going to flex once more. Okay, let's get ready. Flex now. 10 seconds, pushing the right shin into the ground, feeling glute and hamstring activation. A few more seconds. Relax. Very good job. We're going to go ahead and switch and we're going to do the same exact thing now on our left leg. Get ready, hop into the pigeon pose for 45 seconds. Get ready, flex now. 10 seconds, digging the shin into the ground, feeling the activation of your glutes, your IT band, and your hamstring. Let's relax, get deeper into the mobilization for 30 seconds. Get ready once more. Flex now. Digging the shin into the ground for 10 seconds. You should be feeling a lot of glute activation in your left glute. Relax. We're going to be here for 30 more seconds. Very good job. Now we're going to be moving into a mobilization that we haven't done before. It is the half side split, which is going to be a mobilization of the medial hamstring on the right foot. So take your right leg, put it out to your side. You're going to be on top of your left knee. The toe should be pointed up, not in front of you. There are two options with this stretch. You can allow yourself to lean back into the knee while you're leaning into the right hamstring, or if you have limitations, you can be upright on the knee as you're leaning down into the hamstring. I'm going to be leaning down on the knee. We will begin now for 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, I'm going to have you flex that right hamstring. To do this, you'll push your right ankle into the ground. You'll feel a lot of hamstring activation. This will allow you to get deeper into the stretch afterwards. ready, flex now. Activate your hamstring, try to activate the quadricep. This should be a little bit uncomfortable. You have a few more seconds. Relax. Allow yourself to get deeper into that right hamstring for 30 seconds. Ready? Flex now. Push that right heel into the ground. Feel your hamstring activate. Feel your quadriceps activate. You have just a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Get a little bit deeper into that hamstring. I know that one was a doozy. Slowly come out of it, but we're going to head right back into it now on the left leg. So you can be up on your right knee, left leg is out to the side, the toe should be pointed up to the sky, not in front of you. You can be upright or you can lean back as I do here, okay? Once again, we're gonna be here for 45 seconds and then we're gonna do the PNF technique. Get ready, flex now. Push your heel into the ground. You're feeling the hamstring activate on the left foot. You're feeling the quadricep activate. You have 3 more seconds. 2, 1. Relax. 30 more seconds, getting deeper into the hamstring. Once again, get ready, flex now. 10 seconds here. 3, 2, 1, relax. 30 more seconds, going even deeper into that left hamstring. Awesome job. Let's come out of that position. We have one more movement left in this routine. The movement is going to be the bird dog. It is an active core and shoulder stability movement. I'm going to demo 1 rep here, and then you'll do 10 more reps on each arm. You're going to start off on all 4s. You're going to stabilize your right hand. Your left hand is going to come forward with your right leg coming back, toes pointed towards the ground. You're going to bring them back in. You're then going to stabilize your left hand, bringing your right arm forward and your left leg back. Toes pointed towards the ground, activating your left glute. I'm going to be having a counter up on the screen to show your reps. Let's begin now. want you guys to sit back, relax, and let the music play. Congratulations, you're done with SmoothPanther routine number 28, Filet Minglute, the sequel. I want to real quick thank the sponsor of this routine, Element Electrolytes. I use those damn electrolytes every single day. They're amazing for athletes. Check them out. Once again, thank you guys for sharing these routines, hashtagging SmoothPanther on Instagram, sharing them with me when you're doing them. I appreciate all of you liking and sharing these videos. Also, remember, if you're interested in working together, head to www.breakthebar.com. I'm gonna get you lean, I'm gonna get you tight, I'm gonna get you right. That's it. You're done hearing my voice. This is Nsima the Centaur Inyang from breakthebar.com, being an anomaly, and I will talk to all of you very, very soon.